Who doesn't love Chinese food? One of my favorites. Today we're making beef lo mein. Make sure you guys stay tuned and see what I've learned throughout the years. Welcome back, guys. I am literally cracked out on Cafe Suda. If you guys have ever had this thing is the best. This thing will really wake you up. We're making lo mein today with beef lo mein, and it's really simple. I want you guys to follow this recipe, try it out, and you're gonna love it. Now, we're gonna start with a flat iron steak. I had this pre-frozen just a little bit just to make it easier to cut, easier to slice. We'll go ahead and slice it very fine. If you don't have the flat iron, you could use any kind of meat you want. If you guys get a cheap cut of meat, I'm gonna show you guys a simple way to tenderize it. So this one, I'm gonna go ahead and cut it in half, throw it into a bowl. All right, to tenderize the meat just a little bit, we're going to wash our meat. We're gonna get rid of the excess icky stuff on the meat. Now the water in this actually is gonna add a little bit of moisture to the meat. So go ahead and dump this out. All right, the marinade's gonna go like this. 2 tablespoons of regular soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of dark soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, 1/4 teaspoon of regular sugar, and about a tablespoon of cornstarch. I'm gonna use my hands, the real way. Just give that a mix. You're gonna see a lot of this soy sauce and moisture get soaked up into the meat. Give it a nice Asian massage. As you can see, a lot of that liquid is disappearing. So what we're gonna do is set it aside until we get everything else ready. All right, noodles wise, this is the one I use. It's already pre-cooked. I get it from my local Asian supermarket. Use whatever you can find, but hopefully it's one of these types of packages. I'm going to set it in the boiling water just for 2 to 3 minutes. Even though it's pre-cooked, there's a little bit of the oily stuff on it for preservation. I'm gonna cook that out for 2 to 3 minutes and we'll have that ready here to go. All right, noodles are done. We're gonna start with the beef. The beef is ready to go. It's been marinating. It's been about half hour. So if you go longer, go longer. If not, no worries. My wok is on extremely high right now. We're gonna throw in some neutral oil. And you know what I love about Asian cooking is the wok masters are absolutely amazing to watch. It's literally an art. If you watch how they move the wok, and it's just absolutely amazing. I'm sure you guys agree. So what I've learned throughout the years, get that wok really blazing hot. Don't worry, get that oil nice and hot. Asian style cooking is different. So obviously they've mastered it. They know their food is amazing. I have my own personal chopsticks. I'm gonna test it with one touch. Oh yeah. Perfect. And now we're going in. And the reason why they get it hot is it doesn't stick to the pan. And actually the fires that they have going, literally it looks like it came off of a jet engine. When they remove that wok, it's just a flame that's unreal. And that's why they have to keep that wok constantly going. So with this one, obviously we don't have that type, so we're just gonna let this beef cook.
This is the bootleg version.
This is the bootleg version of it. And I actually love the noises from that wok. Wow, it's amazing. Especially when they do that. And if you notice when they're cooking, they're constantly doing this. They constantly
beating the meat.
Beat the meat. That actually tenderizes it. When I tell you they know what they're doing, they know what they're doing.
Nobody's doubting that though.
I know, right? I want to put a jet engine fired bro on this thing. I want to buy one of those where it just literally will burn your whole house down. I love it. I love it. Yeah, everything. All right, check that out, guys. Beautiful. Ready? Set this aside. I'm not gonna clean the wok. We're gonna add in some more neutral oil. Half onion, roughly chopped. Onion goes in. All right, while we're waiting for the onions, about 1 teaspoon of white pepper goes in. We're gonna put in about 2 tablespoons, of soy sauce, dark soy sauce, about 1 teaspoon, half a teaspoon of cornstarch. We'll just give it a light mix, really simple. I have about 4 cloves of garlic that's gonna go in with your onions. This is where that beautiful smell comes out. There we go. I have my noodles, they're going in, along with a little bit more neutral oil. Give that a mix, just like that. All right, now we add in our sauce for the noodles, for the whole dish. I have some snow peas that we're gonna drop in and some bean sprouts. That goes in. All right, now it's time for the beef. Beef goes in. Give it a nice mix. Dude, I don't know how these wok masters do it. Absolutely amazing. I got tired just doing this. All right, we're ready to plate. They do this, they throw it in like that. Can't do it. Screw it, bro. Where's my tongues? All right, so here we go. Oh, beautiful. Put some meat on there. Beautiful, look at that, guys. Now, I have some green onions that I like to add after the fact. There we go. I have my own chili that I make, my own chili sauce that I make. It is absolutely phenomenal. I've been making this one for years, and I really want to share this with you guys one day. I like to drizzle it just like that. Oh, beautiful. Well, there you have it, folks. Beef lo mein, really simple, really fast. It's gonna be absolutely delicious. Actually, I'm gonna try it, bro. Yeah?
Can I be the first to try? No, just kidding.
No. Oh, oh, oh. And you're supposed to slurp, right?
Yeah.
Wow. That is bomb. Absolutely great, guys. Now that's literally restaurant quality. That the flavors are there. The garlic comes through. The soy sauces. The beef is nice and tender. It's a real simple dish to do, guys. Definitely try it out. Thank you guys for tuning in. If you guys are new, welcome to the channel. Please subscribe, like it, share it, and don't forget to ring-a-dingle that bell. This is a dish known all across the world. It's an Asian beef. I'm gonna show you how to, oh, dude. I can't do what they do, bro. It's intense. Easy, man. My fingers are sticking together. Now I have some snow peas that we're gonna drop in and some,